stretchy, stretchy. How you doing, Nebby? You got your food there. You got a little friend over there? You hanging out with Cosmo because you're friends? Or is Cosmo trying to move in on your food? I think the latter. Well, it's gonna start raining pretty soon. See, I got this nice little corner where Nebby can defend her food. And from the chickens and the other goats. It's kind of shitty out today, so everybody's inside chewing on the hay. But Cosmo seems determined. Good boys. Who's coming down the street? I don't know them. All right.